Real ways to make extra money from home and online in Canada. If you have been racking your brain on how to make money working from home and online in Canada and the United States, this list of creative side hustle is for you. There are so many real ways to earn additional income when you need to. Whether you need to make money fast to pay off debt or meet a specific financial need, or you are simply looking for money making ideas that provide a steady income and can replace your 9 to 5 job, there are some of everywhere. Earning extra money using online and work from home jobs can change your life in so many positive ways. You can save for retirement, pay off debt, and stop living payback to paycheck. Choose to become your own boss. Diversify your income sources, de-stress and improve your quality of life. Take a much needed vacation. Help others. Save for your kids' future, college education. Earn cash anywhere in the world and become location independent. There is a list not meant to sell you get rich quick schemes. To make extra money, you do not necessarily need previous experience but will have to put in some effort. So buckle up and come along to see the various ways you can make money working online from home and with a part of full-time side gig. Rated how to make PayPal money fast. Creative ways to make extra money online. If you have an internet connection, a laptop, desktop, and can work a mouse, you can take on or a combination of these legitimate work for from home jobs and earn real cash. In most cases, the investment required to participate is minimal. You can make money simply by using your phone. Starting a profitable blog. A blog is one of the easiest way to reach a large targeted audience or market. Your blog may be structured to provide free information that people are looking for and sell useful products. It is so easy to start a blog these days with web hosting as cheap as 5.25 CAD. I have put together an easy and free step guide you can follow to set up your blog in 30 minutes. There are many ways to make money from your blog, included advertisement, affiliate marketing, sponsored posts. You can earn $1,000 per month with your blog and no previous experience is required. Number 2, participate in marketing research. Answering online surveys is one way to make money online. While there are many scam surveys on the internet, the best paid survey sites on my list are worth joining. Survey Junkie. This survey site is one of the highest paying with members getting several opportunities to make money. Sign up here, swag bucks, complete surveys and earn cash. They have paid members more than $575 million to date. Get a $5 sign up bonus here. Daily Rewards Canada. Earn cash by taking surveys plus a $5 sign up bonus. Americans can sign up for their sister site Inbox Dollars. Branded surveys. This Canada based reward site pays you to answer surveyed and complete other simple tasks. Join branded surveys plus bonus points. Life points start earning cash right away when you sign up by completing short surveys. Sign up here. Pinecone Research. You can earn $3 to $5 per survey with this site. I IP source. I say earn rewards when you complete survey. Join. Harry's Poll Online. This is one of the oldest paid survey site. The word get started here. You can redeem your rewards using PayPal Cash or for gift cards from popular Retailers like Amazon, Starbucks, Target, Walmart, Best Buy, ITOs, and others become a proofreader. Do you have an eye for catching spelling or grammar errors? Present or any piece of writing? If so, proofreading may be the gig for you.